Welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on push notifications for Grubhub. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and turn on push notifications for Grubhub. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So the first thing that we're going to do is hop onto the Grubhub app. Next, we're going to click on account on the bottom right-hand corner. Next, we're going to scroll down and click on where it says push notifications. So you want to make sure that push notifications are turned on for your order status or offers. Now, on an Apple device, the other way to do it too is that you want to make sure that you go into settings, scroll down, find the Grubhub app, and then from here, you're just going to click on allow notifications. So that is essentially going to go ahead and turn on notifications for the Grubhub app. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn on push notifications for Grubhub. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next.